For today's exercise, you're going to need lavender, rice, socks, ribbon, small rubber bands, and any other little accessories that you might want to add to your piece.
So the neat thing is this is how the sock turns out, and you don't have to have any sewing skills. So everything that we're going to be doing today involves no sewing, which is perfect for me because I don't know how to. So to begin, we're going to take one of our socks. I actually already started to fill some of it. And you're going to be filling it with the lavender and rice. I had already pre-measured mine, but if you're starting at home, you're going to take 1/2 a cup of rice and then 1/2 a cup of dried lavender. And that's what you're going to be placing into the sock. Then, once you're finished, you're going to take your rubber bands. Mine are pre-packaged. And I would recommend using more than one, just in case, they can be delicate and sometimes they do break. So I'm using about 3 or 4. And you're going to tie off the opening end of your sock. You're just going to wrap it around. So that way, nothing falls out of it. Next, you're going to take your other sock and you're going to place the tied end through the opening and all the way to the other end. So this is kind of giving you the body of your eye pillow. So to seal off the end, I chose a teal ribbon. You can choose whatever color you'd like or any design. And you're going to tie a bow at the end to close it up. So I tend to double knot it just to be safe. So 1, 2, and tie a bow. So this creates the end of your sock. Now I had mentioned if you have any accessories or anything that you want to use to decorate your sock, feel free to do so. I've seen some people put some googly eyes at the end to make it more playful. I found actually something I had left over, a little fake flower. So I think I'm going to attach it on the end right here. And so really this is all that is required for your eye pillow. And the nice thing is that this is not only relaxing, but you can put it in the microwave to heat it up, or you can put it in the freezer to cool it down and use it on your aches and pains. So it is very much a multi-purpose, very easy to make and use. If you don't have any of these supplies just yet, I did order mine off of Amazon. Very simple to do, and what's nice is if you order more than one sock, you can make multiples and maybe even give some. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you find some relief with your lavender pillow. Thank you.